Love makes your soul crawl out of its hiding place. True love stories never have endings. There is only one happiness in this life, to love and be loved. Love is something sent from heaven to worry the hell out of you. The only thing we never get enough of, or give enough of, is love. True love comes quietly, without banners or flashing lights. If you hear bells, get your ears checked. To love and be loved is to feel the sun from both sides. Life is the flower for which love is the honey. Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. You always gain by giving love. Love recognizes no barriers. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies.